Sanibonani, this is Dumi Mothuning, known as Gogo Skotseni. Bengicela ukuxolisa kakhulu ukuthi ngiyangathula ngangakhulumi about the prayer yange 17 May. Bengicela ukuyihlehlisa guys. I did not expect ukuthi sizoba baningi kangaka because currently we are sitting on 389 people. For me, that is not just a number, it's a big number, and I would like and I would love the Holy Spirit to lead us into the right direction. I was not ready for that number. Please allow me to dwell deep in prayer and in fasting before I can pray for abantu abangaka, and abantu aba-confirm ama-booking wabo, and there were still more people we didn't answer, so I could see we are gonna reach 500 at the end. So bengicela ukuxolisa, please wait for me to be spiritually fit and strong, and then we will do it. I'm really sorry for those I've disappointed, and I know we had people who were coming from far, so bengicela nje ningixolele. Le akusiyona into esingadlala ngayo bakwethu, so I'll keep on updating when can our next prayer be. In the meantime, let's continue to pray for ourselves and pray for each other. Last corner. Stay blessed. Thank you.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Hi guys, I bantu bothathekile. I swear to God ningibothathekile. So Gogo Skotseni, I think about a month or 2 months back ukuthi she's no longer isangoma, so usindisiwe, urepentile, and indlela gijima ngakhona ugijima ngalesinye speed lomnyushuni like ujahile Gogo Skotseni guys. Announce ukuthi utovula sonto, announce ukuthi in my prayer session, and now she's saying ukuthi we cancel the prayer session yakhe because I receive inqumbi the number ati bantu labafuna ukuthi bathandazela. Guys, really? Like really? So people are saying ukuthi hayi cha Gogo Skotseni hayi cha uhamba ngalomnyushuni awuyagijima speed sakho, abantu bathi nje Gogo Skotseni speed sakho hayanko happy ngaso, so uthandazela nebantu sekuze sekugqwala. I swear Gogo Skotseni guys, makangavula lesonto imali langayenda, oh my gosh, like she will make a killing. She will make a killing, not because mhlambe njani, but because Gogo Skotseni. She's well known, dumile. She will definitely make a calling, like a killing. Ngiyo naye azathi ufuna kuvula lesonto because uyabona ukuthi hayi cha mangavula lesonto nqumbe abantu labangita, and I know ukuthi nina ninganikela, I know ukuthi ningayibhadala yonke salary, and I swear to God ninganikela kweshumi ningakhipha 50% nithi hayi cha ningubothathekile. I'm not judging Gogo Skotseni for being or leaving Bungoma. That's her decision, and I'm fine with that. Everyone is fine with that. But the fact that so frank vula lesondo, so uthandazela bantu, like it's giving red flag in general. It's giving nyakijima. It's giving nyadadadela. So nje for me, that's a huge red flag. But ngaya nthandazela Gogo Skotseni noma ngavula lesondo niyogqwala, ukuthi ngingagqwala yoyisupport la ngayithola losisi, like she must really like consider kuvula lesondo, because I know ukuthi she will make a killing. Imali emnikelo angayekela ngisho nokuba ngi-DJ abe nelisondo kuphela, because ngiyadisupport lina lengamnika yona cha yiningabi. Please do comment what you think down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.